I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making potato kielbasa soup, and it has a few ingredients in it, but it won't be very much prep work. And I'm making this meal today for what's for dinner tonight. And so let me get started on this easy recipe. Okay, I have my prep work done now, and this is a pound of kielbasa, a pound and a half of potatoes, 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, and a half of onion. So let me get started on my recipe. Alright, I'm fixing to brown my kielbasa in 1 tablespoon of olive oil that's already been preheating. And I'm going to cook this for about 5 or 6 minutes till it gets brown. Okay. I hope everyone is having good weather today. We had a little bit of bad weather. We had a tornado warning during that hurricane that went over. And I know a lot of other people had a bad time with it too. But we've got pretty weather today. It is overcast, but this soup is going to make me and Calvin feel good tonight when we eat it. I've got a good dessert coming up too this week, but y'all see that video this week too. It's going to be an easy, budget-friendly one, and this is budget-friendly. It's just, it's not hard to make either. It's just a little prep work. This is starting to smell really good right now. Okay, I think these are browned good enough now. So I'm going to turn my heat off and put them in a bowl and then saute my vegetables. I got all of my kielbasa browned now, so now I'm going to be putting in my vegetables, and I'm going to be sauteing them. Here's my carrots, my celery, and this recipe will be in the description below. And my onion. Okay. Get it stirred up. Turn my pot back on. I'm going to be sauteing these until about 2 minutes or longer, just till they get ready. Okay. This has been a little longer than 2 minutes, but I want my carrots to get cooked good. Okay, now then I'm going to add in my chicken broth. And my potatoes. Okay, I have all my vegetables added now, and so I'm going to cook this for about, when it comes to a boil, I'm going to cook it for about 15 minutes. When I was sauteing my vegetables, I forgot to add my garlic in, so now I'm adding my garlic. And this was 2 tablespoons of it. Okay, my soup has been cooking for 15 minutes, and I tested my potatoes, and so they're done now, so I'm going to be adding the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to be adding my kielbasa, my milk, my 2 cups of cheese, my parmesan cheese, my salt and black pepper. Stir this all up. This kielbasa soup is going to be cooking for 5 minutes or till all the cheese is melted.
Marie, that soup really looks good.
Yeah, it really does, and I can smell that garlic in it too, and it really smells good. This is going to make us a nice supper meal. I like trying all different types of soups. Okay, the soup is done now, and the cheese is melted. It cooked a little bit longer than 5 minutes, about 8 minutes to melt the cheese. So now I'm going to scoop a bowl out. It smells really good. Okay. This soup really looks good, and when it cools off, I'm going to taste it. Okay, now the favorite part of mine is the taste test. So here I go. That is really good.
You think I'm going to enjoy that, Marie?
Yes, I think so. This is my new way of eating potato soup. I think I'll have to put kielbasa in it every time now. So this soup is really good, and I think if y'all try it, you'll really enjoy it. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here